Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video about recapping the last week ending yesterday, May 23rd. Today is Saturday, May 24th. Alright, so let's get started. Just wanted to show a few charts that I set out before charts to my subscribers and what happened. This is a pound index. I'm not going to cover a whole lot of the charts because then the video gets too long. But few, the good one, right? So pound index, daily chart. This is how I had it that we're going to go up and hit this target after finishing this triangle A, B, C, D, E. We've been cranking this from from here. In fact, from the B point a long time ago. This is a daily chart. So what happened on this, based on this chart, if the pound started going up, pound index, the pound will get stronger, and then the pairs that involve the pound will go up, except just euro pound. That's the only pair the pound has. Pound is on the right hand side. Otherwise, pound is always on the left hand side. So pound gets strong, pair goes up, right? So on this one, so far what happened is, see, we went up there, hit this area, then came back to this level 89.23, and then now finally we broke this and testing it right now, right? And then after that, probably next week early, we will hit my target anyway, and then maybe go even further to the upside. Let me see. Okay, so based on that, I found since that it was getting strong, nice and clean from here. You see this after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the whole week. Let's keep going. So I found early in the week I found a pair which involved this where'd it go, man? Pound Aussie, right? This is the pattern. It's a bad pattern. Basically, it's a bearish pattern, bearish bad pattern, but it's in the making. It is going to finish its last leg. This is my specialty. I found it very. It's not easy, but you need to learn. So I learned myself, and this is what I teach in my webinars as well. That how to locate and how to pinpoint this point C, and then start trading towards D. Because as you can see, it's a long way to go. And there's no need to waste all these pips. Okay, once we get to the conventional way is to trade, open a trade at point D once the pattern is finished. But my question is, why waste all these pips from C to D? Once we get there, we're gonna trade that too. But I like to trade all this, and I have my specifications that the target 1, target 2, target 3. Let me see if I excuse me, I can show you. This is how my diagram is. Trade number 1, buy at point C. Once you and then we use my magic wave strategy, which is like a confirmation as well. If you thinking about that, okay, this is point C and then need to go up, then we don't open the trade immediately. We wait for our magic wave setup, which is the price will go above the wave, then retrace into the wave, and then again come out of the wave to the upside. The whole process, the whole setup gives us a very, very strong confirmation as well as entry point with a very small stop loss, usually 15 to 18, 20 pips. And then it just takes from there. So the trade number 1 is point C, trade number 2, buy the break of point B, which is we are at right now. And then the trade number 3 would be sell at the completion of the bad pattern at point D. Once we get there, we'll see if it start coming down and drop below the wave and give us the short setup, then we'll start taking the short entries. So far, we are in the long entries. Okay, so this pair, I found it, and we start taking the entries. This is the first, some of my entries, and then so far, we hit our first target, and then now pulling back, I believe that we are right around here somewhere. And then next week, hopefully, we'll see if we, hold this area here. Then we will go up again, continue to the upside. So whatever, but so far for nice, I had this an email yes a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday, I guess, the day before that. He one of my subscriber, he made like 310 pips in this pound Aussie move, so pretty nice, huh? This is the pound Aussie. Let's see, Euro Aussie as well, because Aussie is getting a little weaker, so I had that too. And in fact, I have this pattern, this pair. I'm tracking from here. You can see this Euro Aussie one. Long time ago it was here, and then head and shoulder pattern, and then I said it was gonna come down all the way here. Then obviously when it's gonna hit this area, it's gonna go up, and then so what happened? You can see nice and clean, short entries coming down beautifully, right? Came down all the way exactly the same area where I showed. But the last chart that I sent out was this 30th April, that we are here. We went up. Wave 4 should be ending either here or dip a little bit, then go up and hit the trend line, channel trend line, and then drop. But the fifth wave was to the downside. This is the chart that I sent out. And what really happened is this: it came down nice and clean from 4 to 5. Then I said it's going to go up for wave A. This was the last chart, by the way. And then it nice and clean went up. So far halfway. We still have to go up there. So this trend line, it came into the way, but it's still, we have a decent amount of pippage here. Okay. Little here, little there, heads up, right? So these were a couple of good charts. Another one was, where'd go? Pound USD, based on again pound. This was the chart that is going to go up either straight to 70.38 or maybe go up to 68.74, dip again, hit the TL, and then go up. Okay, we're making like wave 1, 2, 3, and if you can notice, there's small like a bad pattern or butterfly or something like that. So what happened on this pair is, so far it is like this: went up just a little bit above 68.74 and now dipping, just like I said. That is gonna dip to the trend line. So I don't know, maybe it will come down to the trend line, maybe not. I will reevaluate tomorrow and send out the charts to the subscribers. I do not post on anywhere else, because it's only my before charts are first for the subscribers. So if you want to get these before charts, then you can go ahead and on my website and subscribe. So this is the pound. This is how it is moving on. What else? Aussie yen, maybe I'll show you here. This is the chart that I sent out. It's gonna go up. Look for long 94.50 area, which is this one, this little high, and start going up, but it hit this area 95.70 resistance and drop. But it still looks like it's a fourth wave. This is 1, 2, then 3, 4, and then we probably go up again for the fifth wave. Look at this. This is what happened. We went up there, gave us a little bit, and then dropped. 200 EM in the way, and this area 92.95 is a big number. So we're bouncing, and let's see what happened. Yen index is showing a little weakness. Friday, I have a nice setup to go up that yen index. So start going up, then all of these yen pairs will probably gonna go up. So I'm gonna make new charts on those yen pairs and send out. What else? We had Aussie USD. Let's see. This was a chart I sent out, and again I said here, you can see this, I have numbers. The target 93.87, then 94.61 if we break 93.87, then followed by 94.61. If we break that, we go 95.36 around here. 95.36 was wave 5 target. Okay, but 93.87, as you know, that was big number, very big. So it stopped the move to the upside. You can see, and then it dropped. It could be a wave 4 followed by wave 5 to the 95.36 area, but time will tell. I will reevaluate everything and then send out. But gave us a little bit, from here to here, from 92.80 to 93.87. Nice, 100 pip move. Not bad. You can take out 30-40 out of it. That's fine. You know what I'm saying? So, well, let's see if I have anything else. Pound, I showed you. I don't want to show you too many. Gold, this, that. you're gonna get confused. So these are few charts. You can see how nice, I make these charts, and then 90% they are right on target. So if you like, if you need to get these charts before my before charts, just go ahead to my website and subscribe. You also get my Magic Wave strategy. You have too many recorded webinars there that shows how to use the Magic Wave strategy to make precise, confirmed entries. Okay, that's the beauty of it. You don't lose too much because or make a wrong entry, especially with my analysis. If my analysis saying that it's going to go up if this area holds, if this line holds, it's going to go up, right? So all you need to wait is to see if the price goes above the wave, the dip into it, give you a 5 minutes nice setup. You take that setup, stop loss is never more than 20 pips. It's usually 18 pips, and then it takes from there. All right, and very easy. For example, let me see if I let's say the pound like this one, right? And you can see how nice it is. This was the setup here, and it went up. You see, it was before, and then it went up, gave you a setup here, gave you a setup here, gave you a setup here, gave you a setup here. All of these were entries. Okay, and then it takes off from there. Very nice and clean. So this is it for now. If you like what you see, go on my website and subscribe. Some of those pairs are setting up very nicely for the next week. Volatility will be low because of the summer vacation coming in. A lot of big boys goes out. They go out with the family because the kids are off a couple of months. My kids are not off yet, probably the first week of June. The schools are getting closed, so I'm planning to go, but my laptop and my webinars will be with me all the time. So I'll be teaching, I'll be doing my webinars and everything else, trading and everything on the way while traveling. All right, no big deal for me. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.